Hello everyone, Darren Eastman here, Product Manager for GitLab Runner. Today I want to spend a few minutes reviewing a few of the key issues that we were looking to deliver in the 12.10 release. In 12.10, we're investing quite a bit of time working to resolve a number of high priority P2 bugs. The first of which is issue number 1379. This bug, for users of GitLab Runner, results in an error no such file or directory for approximately 1 in 10 builds. At the moment, there's an active community merge request number 1934, that when implemented will introduce a new environment variable, GitLab_runner_disable_skel, that will be set to true for when you're installing GitLab Runner from a package. This will also create a GitLab Runner user home directory with other files inside of skel. With this implemented, this will resolve this long-standing bug. The other P2 bug I want to draw your attention to that we're looking to deliver in 12.10 is issue number 4327. Docker config already in use by container. This is the bug where GitLab Runner is running the same job multiple times, yet end up having conflicts with container names that results in an error. And the error is generally that the container name is already in use by another container ID. At the moment, there is a binary package for the active merge request, MR number 1801. So if you're interested in the preview release of this, you can come to MR 1801 and link to the binary where that fix is implemented. Our goal is to rapidly review of this open MR and merge the fix in so that we can ship this finally in 12.10. The next active issue and bug that we're working to resolve in 12.10 is issue number 3376. We'd hoped to resolve this in the past couple of release milestones, but there are a number of open merge requests that are still under review at the moment. So our goal then is to get this ramped up in the release milestone so we can ship the fix in 12.10. So just a quick recap. The proposal that's being implemented by the related merge request for this particular bug is that instead of immediately terminating the processes using sigkill and ignoring the results, we'll attempt to gracefully shut down the process by first setting a sig term, and only after a specific time or duration has expired, 10 minutes, will we terminate the process using sigkill. So this again will address the issue that's related to the long-standing bugs and some of the behaviors that folks have been seeing with this. The other critical issue that we want to make meaningful progress on in 12.10 is bug number 4450. This is another high priority bug that we had planned to resolve in 12.9, but unfortunately we weren't able to do so. Our goal then for 12.10 is to make meaningful progress towards implementing a solution. As I mentioned in previous release kickoff videos, the approach that we are planning to take is to implement a retry mechanism. This basically means that we retry each request sent to the Docker API where the response code is equals to 404. For every 404 returned, we will print all of the container IDs that the runner has and all the container IDs that the container daemon has. This will allow us to have a snapshot of the current state. If the retry mechanism does not completely solve the bug, then the additional logs that we'll be able to capture will provide the data we need to determine the root cause and of course come up with a final fix. So again, we'll implement the retry mechanism first, and hopefully with that we get meaningful progress towards getting a final solution for 4450. So our key goal here again in 12.10 is to make meaningful progress on moving the ball forward here. So just to quickly summarize, we currently have 4 very in-depth P2S2 bugs that we're actively working to resolve in 12.10. From a feature perspective, we have a couple of features I also want to call your attention to in terms of new capabilities that we're looking to release in 12.10. In 12.9, you may have noticed, and you may notice in our release in our release post of 12.9, we have recently updated our Windows lifecycle policy. The revised policy now sets a target time frame by when we will add new GitLab Runner helper images that include the latest Windows Server version semi-annual channel release. Related to this new policy then, in 12.10, we'll be adding support for Microsoft Windows Server version 1903 semi-annual channel release to the GitLab Runner project. The other new feature or capability that we'll be looking to add in 12.10 is related to issue number 4843, and the definition and the description is run active script even when a job is cancelled. In layman's terms, what this means is that in GitLab Runner 13.0, we'll be introducing a new statement in GitLab UI that will enable a user to cancel a job in any of the stages. This new behavior that we'll introduce in the runner in 12.10 then is that if a job is cancelled, the runner will stop execution of any before script, or prior stages, and execute stages defined in after script, archive cache, and upload artifacts. So again, this issue 4843 is a precursor to us implementing in 13.10 this new state in the GitLab UI that will enable a user to cancel a job at any of the stages. And finally, in terms of new capabilities I want to call your attention to in 12.10 is that we'll be looking to add, and continuing the investigation work that we did in 12.9 related to PowerShell core support in GitLab Runner, we'll be looking to add PowerShell core 6 support for the Docker window executor and hopefully for the shell executor as well in 12.10. But those are the main issues in terms of new features and capabilities as well as bug fixes that we're working to deliver in 12.10. As always, if you have any questions related to a feature or a bug or an issue, feel free to tag me directly on the issue in GitLab. Just tag me at Darren Eastman. You can also, of course, drop me an email as well. My email address is deastman@gitlab.com. Thank you and talk to you soon.